Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a powerful and incredible quantum power prayer. This prayer holds the secret to immediate manifestation and can help fulfill any deep-seated wishes or desires you have. This power, once harnessed, knows no human limits. The prayer I'll teach you today is so potent that repeating it just once, with the correct energy capture, will allow you to witness your desires manifesting swiftly before your eyes. It's not magic or illusion, but rather the extraordinary power of the universe and divine creation manifesting itself. Believe in this power, and I assure you, you can manifest anything you desire. Embrace this prayer with immense faith in creation, radiating strong feelings of gratitude towards the universe, and prepare yourself for a wonderful surprise. Now, find a moment of peace, relax, calm your thoughts and heart, and take a few deep, grounding breaths. When you feel centered and ready, let us begin the prayer. O creative force of everything that exists, mysterious and infinite, perfect universe that knows and sees all, in the name of this absolute power and the countless blessings in my life, I now activate your manifesting power within me. I invoke divine creation to bring forth perfect health, true love, my dream job, wealth, happiness, abundance, and prosperity. I am deeply and infinitely grateful for everything I possess and for all the blessings I am receiving every single day. I ask with conviction, believe with all my heart, achieve with determination, receive with open arms, and live in a state of perpetual gratitude. My immense faith connects me more deeply each day to God, to unconditional love, kindness, and divine mercy. I am enveloped in light, love, wealth, prosperity, and abundance, manifesting my deepest desires and swiftly attracting all that I wish for. Whether seeking love, financial abundance, or health, the universe conspires to manifest these desires, reflecting my positive personal energy. In harmony with nature, my desires transform seamlessly into reality. I resonate with the frequency of all good things, feeling them deeply in my heart. I celebrate life, flourishing in prosperity, abundance, and happiness, attracting genuine people and pure, heartfelt emotions. Capable of fulfilling any desire of my heart, I simply ask, and the universe responds, manifesting my wishes without delay. I cherish gratitude, finding joy and strength in the smallest of blessings, growing stronger and more resilient each day. I am ready to receive all that I rightfully deserve, all the divine blessings that are destined for me, and to experience profound happiness with those I love. I extend my love to all beings, plants, and animals, contributing positively to the world. Valuing my present self, I also hold a clear vision of my future. Grateful for my past experiences, I live fully in the present, crafting a vibrant and successful future. The inner millionaire in me is awakening, ready to embrace and realize my daily goals, which are integral steps in my life's journey. I am disciplined, resilient, a true warrior, and destined for victory. I am a unique individual, drawing strength and love from within. Continually reinventing and discovering new aspects of myself, I seek personal evolution and deepen my spiritual connections. I live in a state of love, embodying self-love and exhaling love into the world, a divine gift that magnetizes all my desires towards me. I am a beacon of radiant light, attracting wealth, prosperity, and sharing these abundantly, for selfishness and greed have no place in my heart. By the infinite power of the universe and the supreme power of the creative source, I declare that I am a being of light and divine love. I am complete, affluent, prosperous, and manifesting my desires effortlessly. I activate the perfect vibration and magnetic attraction of the universe in every cell of my body, transforming myself into a powerful magnet for all my desires. I activate divine consciousness and attraction in my life, becoming a potent magnet for all that I desire. The universe has no choice but to respond, blessing and granting my wishes, as I am an integral part of God's divine and perfect creation, where nothing is impossible. So be it, and so it shall be. Amen. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.